Hi everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about voice search rankings. And what I mean by that is when mobile device users ask their digital assistants to search for something. Like, hey Google, find me the best pizza near me. Things like that. And this is important because there's been some buzz in the SEO world lately that the voice search digital assistants will bring back different listings than if you did a manual search on Google or Bing or any of the browsers if you do it manually. So we're going to show you a couple examples and how that ranks. So first, let's give Siri a try. Show me the best pizza places in Millersville.
Okay, here's what I found.
And you can see from the listings that all of the returns come from Yelp. Okay, now if we do the same search through Google, you can see it comes up a little bit different than what we had in the Siri search. It's based on the Google My Business listings and not Yelp. Okay, now let's give Alexa a try. Now with Alexa, we have to ask the question a little bit differently because of how the assistant responds to voice cues, but you'll get the idea in the end. Find the best pizza in Millersville.
I found a few top-rated options for that in Millersville.
Now you can see Alexa kind of jumped around, gave her more broader search than our local area, but the results still came from Yelp. Next, let's try an Android device and ask Google to search for some barbecue in Houston.
Best barbecue in Houston.
Thank you. And if you look at the results, you can see that they look like Google My Business listings. And if you scroll up back to the map at the bottom right, you can see that the data was sourced from Google in 2020, from Google Maps. And if we check on Google, you can see it's about the same because it's using the same source to get the results. So you can see from these couple examples of how you can get different results depending on how you search, whether manually from your desktop or using a voice search on your mobile device. If you do not have a strong presence on Yelp or you don't have your Google My Business listing set up, you may be missing out on getting some hits and coming back on your search rankings. Your website, it's all important. SEO is all connected, and depending on how the user is searching for you may depend on if you come up in the search rankings. All right, I hope this helps in describing a voice search versus a desktop search. And if you have any more questions, please contact us at BTFOOM.com. Thanks.